Today we're breaking down a question I see a lot: Firebase versus VS Code, and how big is the difference? At first glance, these two sound like they're in the same category, but actually they're completely different. So, first up is Firebase. Firebase is Google's cloud based platform that gives you a backend as a service. It handles things like real time databases, authentication and user management, cloud storage, hosting for web apps, analytics, and push notifications. Basically, Firebase removes the need to build your own backend from scratch. Now let's talk about VS Code. Visual Studio Code or VS Code is a code editor made by Microsoft. It's where developers actually write their code. It has features like syntax highlighting and debugging, tons of extensions and plugins, GitHub integration, and it supports almost every programming language you can think of. So while Firebase is a cloud platform, VS Code is the tool you can use on your computer to actually write and manage your code. So what's the difference between the two? You can't really compare them head to head because they serve completely different purpose. But here's where it gets interesting. They actually work together. If you're building a web app or mobile app, you'll often use VS Code to write the code and then Firebase to host the backend services. You can write your JavaScript in VS Code. You connect it to Firebase for user logins, database, storage, and hosting. And you can even use the Firebase CLI directly inside VS Code to deploy your app.